Oh shit, say it again.
Bitch.
You liking what you see? If you do, then go and follow me. Yeah. Heard what I said. Hit that sub button and that bell. Yeah. Period. She underscore her Jeanette. This video will be lit for sure.
Oh, what's up, THOTPOCKETS, and welcome back to my channel for another video. Period. On that last video, on that last possessed prank on the monkey app, like a lot of y'all like commenting part two. Well, bitch, you got it. Yes, y'all better be ready. Part 2. I am gonna try to use some of y'all suggestions. Y'all keep wanting these possessed videos, bitch, but we ain't gonna be able to keep doing these possessed videos, bitch. We ain't finna have all them spirits and shit up in here, bitch. Like I can't deal. If I start hearing noises up in here, bitch, I'm coming to stay with one of y'all. Y'all better come let me in, because we not doing that. We not doing this. And did y'all like my intro, y'all? I'm trying to have a little intro for all of my videos, try to sing a little bit. I didn't want to be copyrighted, sis, so I decided to make my own little intro. So I hope y'all enjoyed it, bitch. Oh yeah, y'all, and I did add a little teddy bear back there just for, I don't know, like something out of the ordinary. Y'all know on scary movies when it's just something odd, like why is that bear sitting right there? Like, that's what I wanted to do, so that's why I just set my teddy bear back there, and then I'll hop in. But go ahead and jump right on into this video. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and yeah, come on.
I'm like, no. Hey, no, get up here. What the fuck? Look.
Why was she screaming like that though? I cannot. Then she trying to show the little baby too, y'all. She's so mean. Gave a little head nod, that's it.
Look. They can do them pranks for you, see ya.
Bitch, don't blow my cover. This is not a prank for YouTube.
Turn it off. She probably possessing us.
That is so crazy.
Like the dog from
Oh my god, what are you?
Homeboy said turn it off. Turn it off.
He's trying to show you.
Hi, teddy bear. Hi, teddy bear. This sounds nice though. I what though?
That teddy bear better not jump up.
Oh my gosh.
White people so funny. She said that teddy bear better not jump up.
Oh, hell fucking no, bruh. Look at this thing. Bruh, look
Bitch.
You follow me back, you would. Oh shit! Say it again.
Bitch. I'm coming to your house.
Something.
I cannot.
What the fuck? You are about to attend my barbecue, my brother. Crusty little ass. What? She the bitch green. I was fucking my eyes. Call my phone. We're sorry.
I'm sorry. Hey.
Yeah, come for me. Yep. So after 60 days. Hello? Saw your face. Oh my God. What is that? What do I think so white? What the fuck, man? Oh my God.
You cannot hide up under that cover, baby girl. What is that gonna do? Nothing.
Hello. Hey. What the fuck, bitch? Bruh. No.
Yes. Why you gotta do that? Why you gotta do that?
Why you wanna go and do that, love, huh? Hey, why you wanna go and do that?
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Hello. Them y'all getting that hey. Y'all told her hello. Bitch.
That time, ho.
Bitch. Lip gloss popping.
My what?
Lip gloss popping.
Period.
Beard poke.
Period. Yo, you need to be a comedian.
Period. Poke.
Pussy hoe can never.
I cannot. Look, I do YouTube. I've been scaring people, but you too funny for me. You are too funny.
Wait, you recorded?
Yes. Girl, I'm up here trying scare people, and you the only one talking about some ad time, period. I'm like, I cannot. I'm gonna have to break character with her because she play too much. Girl.
So, on YouTube?
Yes.
When you uploaded this video?
Might be tonight. Might be tomorrow. Either tonight or tomorrow.
Notification goes by. Wow.
Period. Period, Pooh. Yes, but make sure you watch it. I'm about to get off here because my phone about to die. But make sure you watch it and stay tuned, okay?
I will.
All right, boo. Bye. Oh, she was so sweet, y'all. She was so sweet. Boo, if you watching this video, make sure you comment down below your Instagram and all of that so they can go follow you. Y'all go follow her. She real cool, y'all. Period.
What a bear in the tail like that? Heck no. Gotta be on YouTube or something. That time. No.
What's that ass? Her friend said no. We're not at a time, bitch. No, why would you say that? Why would you do that? No, ma'am.
Hey.
Oh,
Man, I try to add time. All right, y'all, so my phone done went dead on me. I done got as many reactions as I could, and I think someone was funny. If y'all enjoyed, make sure y'all give this a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. Comment down below video ideas, bitch. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next video. Stay scared, bitches.